Hey y'all, it's Monica McGann. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how I did a 3-leaf clover. I got it at the dollar store, and I'll give you all the details in the next slides. So here we go. I'm sorry I forgot to take a before picture, but this was covered in that tinselly garland, and it was flashy green, like a bright green. And I thought it was super cute as the 3-leaf clover, but I didn't want it to be so cheapy looking. Sorry if y'all like that, but I wanted it to be more farmhouse looking. So I took it all off, and then I put the rope on it to make it more farmhouse looking. So removing the garland, it was pretty easy. I just started in the middle, and once I found where it started, then it just unraveled pretty easily. And then I used 1.5 packages of the decorative rope that you get at the dollar store, and as you can see here, it was all I did. As well, I did add the green twine in the back to use it as a hanger, so I just tied it on once I got the rope wrapped around the 3-leaf clover. So I also wanted to share with you that the Irish actually have this as a symbolism of faith, hope, and love, and then if it's a 4-leaf, then you add luck. So it's faith, hope, love, luck. I just thought I would type it out because I kind of spoke a little fast. So they believe that the clover represents faith, hope, and love, and then if you find the actual like super 4-leaf clover, then you have the word luck. So finding that 4-leaf clover is when you get your luck. So to achieve this look, all the materials I used was I bought a 3-leaf clover from the Dollar Tree, which was $1, 2 things of decorative rope, which they were $1 each, and everything came from the dollar store except for my hot glue I get at Walmart, which I used the Gorilla Glue sticks. I find that those work the best. I also had twine, but I did get a thing of twine at the Dollar Tree as well. So a real quick recap, I took off the green garland, I rewrapped the clover with the decorative rope, and then using the hot glue, which is the Gorilla Glue sticks from Walmart, I just started. The only time I used the hot glue was when I started, and then I glued the end of, the tail. So then I added the piece of green twine, and that was it. My inspiration for this project was just the fact that I didn't really like the garland, and I wanted more of a farmhouse look, and so I thought of a different way to rewrap the clover. So that is it. I'd like to invite you to come and say hi to me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, of course, since this is on YouTube as well. But take note that my name on Twitter is a different name